Okay, using a 6mm drill bit, obviously for doing hardened for doing metal and that. Found a drill. Obviously you could lie this down its back and do it with some kind of pillar drill or something. I'm just using what's available to me. Okay, using a 6mm drill bit, I'm now going to drill those 2 holes through there. Okay, what I have done, I've moved back my milling machine so that the controller box is right against the wall. So this is steady and it's not going to go anywhere. Okay, I'm going to now drill those holes. One thing to mention is that while you're doing the drilling, don't forget to wear protective eyewear. Okay, before we drill the second hole, just going to confirm that that fits in okay. Yeah, that fits through fine. Obviously you're going to want to hoover out or clean out the drill holes. I'm now going to drill the second hole and then I'm going to mount the bolts. Okay, I'm going to do that now. Okay, having hoovered those holes out. Also don't forget, either you can cover the top of your motor or don't forget to hoover it, because obviously you don't want any bits going inside your motor. I've done a quick hoover around there. One thing to mention is you might find that as your drill is just coming through the other side of the metal, it might snatch your drill. So be gentle and be careful as you're reaching the end of drilling your hole. Obviously you want to have drilled those nice and straight. Okay, those will go into there. Just need to affix the bolts at the back. That was quite straightforward really, that wasn't too bad at all. So let's see what it's like to get those bolts on the back there. And obviously once you've got the bolts on the back, you'll tighten it from the front using, I'm guessing, 5mm Allen key. Okay, I'm going to do that now. Hi there. Having used a 5mm Allen key, I use that for tightening it up. What I've done on the back, I've used a washer, I've also used a spring washer. I've then put the original little bolt, but I've added a second bolt as a lock-off bolt. And I've tightened these up with the Allen key. Obviously not going too tight, because you don't want to either damage the mounting block or crack something. Okay. Secondly, what I've done is, first of all, don't forget, remove your Lovejoy or Spider connector using 3mm Allen key to release it from your screwdriver, which we were using earlier to take the vertical up and down. As you can see, I've mounted one of the NEMA 23 stepper motors here. I've used 275 Oz inch, I think they are, but you probably don't need that much. So don't forget, your Lovejoy connector is going to have to go on the end of your shaft on your stepper, then line it up, slot it into the other one, and then using your 3mm Allen key, tighten that up to the head for your Z-axis. Okay. Even if you wanted, I suppose you could add a little handle there on the top. That's why I've had a dual shaft one. That's why I've got an extra shaft there. Okay. All mine are dual shaft, because I'm thinking it would be nice to keep the manual ability as well as the computer controlled ability. Okay, we're going to have to do something with this cable shortly. We'll decide what we're going to do with that. Okay. So really, that ends the tutorial for the vertical modification of the machine, really. Okay, hope you found that useful. Thanks. Okay, an afterthought mention for this tutorial is I've just remounted the little marker for the vertical scale. Okay, and I've also re-locked on the head support. I don't know if I should do that or not. I'll have to check in the information which I received from Michael, but I've remounted that anyway. Okay, so it's gone quite well really. Okay, just while I've been experimenting, I've put a one of the Lovejoy spider connectors on the back end of my stepper motor because I haven't got any handles yet, just so I could manually see how easy or difficult it was to wind it up and down. It's pretty easy, to be honest with you, and I think that went quite well. Okay, that's the end of the Z-axis tutorial. Thank you, and I hope this proves helpful to you. If you'd like to contact me in any way, I can be contacted at quadrant@teamrobotics.co.uk. That's team, not teen. Okay, thank you. Bye. Just decided to put all the side cover back on. Obviously needed to remove the mechanism which was originally behind that, which is here. All I did to remove that is I undid the T9 Allen screw on the handle, so I've remounted all that. Then what I've decided to do is I've actually put the handle on the back end of my motor there, so works out actually. So I can actually manually wind up and down if I need to, which works okay. Alright then, thank you.